My name is Ryan King, and today I will be showing you how physics plays a role in football. These big hits you are currently seeing is explained by simple physics. The equation which explains these hits is momentum equals mass times velocity. So when you multiply mass times velocity, you get the power of the player's hit on the other player at the moment of impact. When two players run towards each other in opposite directions, it's harder to knock the player off their feet because you have to counter their momentum and more to send them far enough backwards to which they can't regain balance. But when a player is running straight and you come from the side, it is much easier to knock them off balance because you do not have to counter their momentum. Okay, now on to the actual throwing of a football. The shape of a football is a proloid spheroid, meaning it is longer than it is wide, and not a perfect sphere. Footballs are supposed to be aerodynamic to be thrown as far and accurate as possible. If the ball was a sphere, the surface area would be much larger and cause the ball to fall much shorter due to more air going onto the surface. Also, when quarterbacks throw the ball, they step into their target to help build up momentum. This momentum increases the football's speed, causing a more accurate and stronger throw to reach the receiver. And finally, the physics of jumping over the defender and regaining your balance, also known as a hurdle. A hurdle requires the player to build up enough momentum and explode off the ground to compensate for their weight and their pads. Once at the peak of their jump, gravity brings them back to the ground at 9.81 meters per second squared. The kicking of the field goal is an important aspect and similar movement to throwing the football. The kicker builds up momentum and strikes the ball at an angle to put the ball through the upright. They have to account for the surface area of the ball and the wind that affects the path while kicking the field goal. When kicking the field goal, it's important that the kicker accounts for Earth's gravitational pull of 9.81 meters per second squared to make sure the ball has enough force to get through the uprights. Okay, now that is all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.